you sure this is new wood? This don't look like new wood. Whoa.
Oh, man, they took out all the go-karts. Oh, they left that there. There used to be go-karts to get all over this.
What is it?
Yeah, there were go-karts everywhere.
But there's Jello. There's Jello, so there's that. A box of Jello. Oh dear, that guy's creepy. Look at that guy. Holy crap. That's a creepy thing. I am like shivering so bad right now. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. We were driving for like an hour to find this place. I don't even know what year this calendar is. Oh, 2006. Wow, this is actually pretty big. Jeez. I don't even know where I'm going. That must have been an entrance open time. Stairs to what? Whoa. I don't like the sound of that floor. Bonnie, there's stairs. We lost Hobie. Oh my god. It was a bat. It just went that way.
Incoming, Hobie.
Oh, the bat was flying down the thing at me. Okay, I kind of want to go upstairs because there was something like, I don't know, I kind of want to go up there. Okay. Jeez, this place is huge. It's huge. There's a whole nother room over there. What was this? Look. There's coffee pots. Party hats. Holy cow. Bonnie. Where'd you go? the stairs. Bonnie, are you going up the stairs? Oh, she did go up the stairs. I thought I heard somebody going up the stairs. You got me freaking out, man. I thought you were right behind me. What in the world is up here?
Stuff?
Storage? Wow. There's an old phone. Oh, jeez. Be careful on the floors.
Yeah. I don't know.
Because there's a gap right there in that floor. And that floor's
Yeah,
busted
the floor
there.
downstairs did not look exactly
Okay.
appropriate underneath,
Should we head back down then?
which would be the stealing.
Kind of curious. Is that Hobie? It is Hobie.
I found some Doc Martens. What? They're fresh.
We found a bat that tried to attack Naomi.
Really?
Batman's brother.
It flew down from here.
They're brand new. They're Doc Martens. You don't want them?
No.
Wow, they're cool. You can go to
Yeah,
Frank.
there's a gap here on the floor.
Oh yeah, watch where you guys are going, okay? I don't want you guys fucking fall through here. Oh, what is up there? Okay, now oh my god. What?
Oh, be careful.
Huh?
Be careful.
Always, I'm always careful.
Famous last words. Okay. I won't say that.
Oh, checks. Why do we always find checks?
Office back here.
Really, an office back there.
Gift certificates. Gift certificate envelopes. There's checks all over the floor. How much is this check for? Oh, it's only for $30. Is it dated 1980? 89. Coin rollers. Lots of like nickels and quarter rollers.
It's a gift for you. A gift that never stops giving.
And the coin rollers. You like the sound of that floor? Look at that
No.
picture.
I'm going back. There's a hole right there in the floor.
Yeah.
That did not sound good. I'm going back.
Where's that office he said he found?